Hey everybody and welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to change the background and the textures of any photo using the Nano Banana while keeping the subject clean and natural, so you can just go over and follow the steps. Start by going to Nano Banana for that. So I'm just going to type in Nano Banana. You can also do so and head over to Gemini's Nano Banana. After you do so, what you can do is you can start by uploading up a main image, one image. The image contains the main subject and will replace the background and the surface textures. Look out for this plus option and select it. And once you add the image, you can lock the subject, which is very important. So we can type in these prompts. You can type in something like this. We can directly do so. You can replace the background with a new environment, keeping the main subject unchanged and making it realistically blending it. So you can hit enter and that should probably give you the result that you're looking for. After you've done so, you can even go ahead and use different target textures. For example, something like this, like enhancing the surface textures naturally, having main realistic fabric and material details, no plastic or artificial look, and hit enter. And Nano Banana should exactly give you the result that you're looking for. You can even combine your background and texture by adding in similar kind of prompt. And once you do so, that should probably fix a bad background that you may have and also write a perfect Nano Banana prompt for your image. And that's it. You can follow this process and create the kind of uh, picture that you're looking for. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.